Hi, I'm Sally. Welcome to our award-winning caravan and camping park here in the Kentish countryside. Broadhembury is uniquely separated into two parks, our Adults Meadows and our Family Park, each serviced by their own 5-star facilities. Family owned since 1969, we're really proud of what we offer our campers, both couples and families. On our Family Park, excellent amenities and play facilities are provided with babies and children in mind. People holidaying without children are allocated pitches on the Adults Meadows. This lovely, tranquil meadow area offers a relaxing, quiet pitch away from the bustle and excitement of family holidays. With an abundance of flat level grass pitches, hard standing and fully serviced pitches, with the choice of shade or no shade, with or without electricity, Broadhembury is the perfect camping and touring destination, whether you visit in a tent, caravan or motorhome. Enjoy a home from home break in one of our superbly appointed holiday homes. Spaciousness and comfort are the keynotes of our fully self-contained holiday caravans. The interior layouts are warm and welcoming and are designed to be homely but convenient for both couples and larger families. Everything is ready for you. These are fully equipped holiday caravans with digital TVs, cookers, fridges, microwaves, plus duvets, pillows and bed linen, making them the perfect home away from home. Whether you're a couple seeking a little romance or a family looking for a fun-filled break, glamping at Broadhembury is an excellent holiday experience. All our tents are warm and cosy. This is sleeping in a tent with a real difference. We also provide gas barbecues with side rings, pots and pans and all the crockery and cutlery for you. Your doggy family members are also welcome at Broadhembury. We even have our own 4-legged assistant, Milo, always on hand to help. We hope to welcome you to Broadhembury soon.